You almost threw up 3 times?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, good training day. Maybe you're doing it a little bit too much.
Go slow.
Shut up. I'm warming up. Walking the hills, and on the flats and downhills. Of course, Wave's already left me in the dust. God damn it. Hill number 3. No idea how far ahead Wave is. I'm old. It's cold. I got asthma. I'm out of shape. I don't know how many other excuses I got. Boys, that if I had to get back in shape, I'm for real. One more excuse. I mentioned I'm feeling yesterday's resistance training in my legs. Yeah, that's gotta be it. Gotten this 32. 32 degrees. It's freezing. Which is honestly the perfect temperature to train. Supposed to be zone 2. Alright, well, I caught up to Leif. Let's see what our total distances are at the end. So much for staying in zone 2. Alright, Leif, first trail run of 2026. What do you think? How did that go? How do you feel?
Lungs were a bit tired at the end. My legs are fine.
How do you feel about the time and the distance?
Like I'm still a toddler compared to ancient peoples.
Oh yeah, for sure. Think we can do better?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty much dog shit today for me. I got 2.38 miles. What did you get?
2.5.
Yeah, that's what I thought. God damn it. Age.